we've been busy over the last while. And this is what we've been busy doing. First I'm gonna clean up my coffee because you don't leave old coffee on the floor with a 1-year-old. This is what happens. This is life. The tour's postponed. We'll take this from the top another day. And we're back. No more coffee spills. Alright, this video isn't fancy, but I wanted to show you our Montessori room that we made for the little man. So a Montessori room primarily is designed to encourage your little ones to explore and take ownership of their environment. And that is exactly how we have designed our Montessori room, starting with a floor bed. We've also incorporated our version of the Montessori play area, which has some select toys and some books for Wyatt, and basically everything in this room is baby proof, baby safe. Montessori rooms actually typically have more neutral color palettes, but the general theme is that they are calm and kind of peaceful places, yet inspiring places for a baby to be. And we opted for the checkered black, white, and grayscale floor because this is proven to be very stimulating for young babies. And something that I really love about Montessori room as well is the incorporation of a mirror. We chose a baby-safe mirror, and what's neat is when Wyatt wakes up in the middle of the night or early in the morning, he sees himself in the mirror and starts clapping or trying to make connection with himself in the mirror, which is really fun to see. Gosh, I wish we did it sooner. For any moms out there who are co-sleeping or breastfeeding, or they have a baby that has to get up every hour and a half, we have a 90-minute baby. He's transitioned now to a more 4-hour to 6-hour sleep baby, but for the first basically year of his life, he was up every 90 minutes. This is just an amazing solution for that, because I got sleep, he got sleep, Dad got sleep, and even the dog got sleep. Anyways, big fan of this room. It turned out really well, and I would encourage anyone else to consider doing it. However you feel like sleeping or having your baby sleep, or whatever sleep training method you utilize, just do whatever works for you. Do what works for your family, and don't worry what people say, because everybody has an opinion and none of them matter. Forgot to add, if you have a Montessori room, would love to hear about your experiences. We love it for a variety of reasons as mentioned. And yeah, we'll see ya